Welcome to the AI for Graphic Designers training series. In this session, we will explore how to create coloring book images using Coloring Book AI. Open the website coloring-ai.com. In the left sidebar, there are options related to coloring books. This is a completely free AI studio for creating coloring books. The website is very useful for instantly creating coloring book images on any topic, and images can be generated in a variety of styles. Type flower in the prompt window, then select the book size. The refined option helps the AI enhance the prompt for image generation. Here are the beautiful linework images of flowers. Next, click on AI Sketch to Image and select the image. Then select the coloring style. There are options such as oil, watercolor, anime. Feel free to try each style. Here AI has added the colors in line sketch of the butterfly. Such image can be used in coloring book. Next, we will create oil painting using line sketch of flower as reference. Select the oil as style. Here is the result. This beautiful painting was created in a few seconds by AI. It can be sold online as wall art. Next, we will see how to create line sketch using realistic portrait image. Here we have attached portrait image of female model. Select the conversion style as portrait because reference image is portrait. Then click Convert to coloring page. Here's the result. Notice how beautifully the details are presented in this image. This is the provided reference image. This is the way coloring book images can be creating using Coloring Book AI. Thanks for watching.